Hello everybody. Today we are electroplating. Yes, these are the things you need. Is what I have done. This is a USB cable, and you cut the end off, find negative and positive, and that way you got current 5 volts fall going in there and making funny things, right? You need a cup of coffee, a cup of coffee. I haven't got a cup of crocodile clips. I have got no crocodile clips. I can't afford crocodile clips. They're expensive. Anyway, you put the copper tube in there and connect the positive to the copper tube. And over here, you put the thing in you want the copper thing in. And then you plug the negative on there. And then the copper come off here, go over there, and it lands on the thing you want the copper thingy platey, right? So now, what else do you need? Electricity, crocodile clips. I haven't got the crocodile clips. No, haters can't do this, cause you need a brain. Haters haven't got the brain, they can't do things like this. They would die. Hopefully. So, I will bring you over here now in a minute and show you that you mustn't have this touching that, because obviously positive and negative don't like each other. They fighting all the time, so you stay away. You stay away from that. I have also got the ruler. I don't know if the flick I got that far, but I got one. So what else we got? Yeah, you've got a rag. Shouldn't do that really, because I've been like doing that, but it doesn't matter. You know I'm fucking crazy. So now I want to show you what I got in there. So I'm going to pull it out and show you, because it's been in there for exactly about 30 minutes. 30 minutes. So it should now be copper-ish looking type thing. You've got to have a glass thing. I forgot to tell you, you've got to have a glass thing. They tell you you've got to have a glass thing. This is not glass, this is plastic. This is a CD cover thing. But it'll do. Don't do what they tell you, because they're all nutters. Take the USB out, because now it's not live. I'll show you a bubble in a minute. And we'll drag this out now. And as you'll see, I will show you a picture of this. I will show you a picture before and after. Before and after. And as you see, it is copper looking. Copper looking. I'll put it back in there now. Right there. Let's turn it around just for fun. Put it back in, and I just finger over here, and I will show you all the bubbles coming up. Oh, it's really cool. Oh, it's still plugged in yet. I wasn't even plugged in. He is fucking crazy. So apparently, some people think I'm a crazy. Some people think something else, but I can't tell you that, because I am not allowed to swear. Okay, I am, but I don't want to, because this is for children. This is for children too, who wants to do electric things. This is only 5 volt. 5 volt. Yeah, USB 5 volt. So you don't need 12 volt. Just go down, down. 5 volt. 5 is plenty. It's bubbling like there's no tomorrow. Is there no tomorrow? Well, I don't know yet. We haven't decided if we're going to drop the bomb on you. Let me come and get you. We'll show you the bubblings. And then it smells like, oh, I gotta fucking tell you, this in the jar is white. Is that how you say it? White vinegar. White vinegar. You can put bicarb or baking powder. I think it's baking powder, I'm not sure. Yeah, there's too many things to try and remember in one episode. I think it's baking soda. So thank you. I thought I would do a video because you are fed up of watching V doing casting and ironworks. I show you. I got to do this one. Can you see that? Don't care, do you? I've done a lot. I will show them later, maybe. Yeah, I put the picture on the end. This is the first one. This is the first one I did of my friend. He is my first eater. Now he is dead. He died of old age. That's alright. I miss him. Because I like eaters. Not a lot. Right, let me take you down there now. We will see if we can see the bubblings. Let's have a look here. Yeah, see it. Oh, look at that. All the way down there, look, you can see it bubblings. It's wonderful. Look at that. That could be a screensaver. That could be planet Mars. You see all the spaceships flying back and forth. The clouds are bubbly. You never knows, do we? We never knows. Is there life on another planet? Listen, no singing. You're not fucking Welsh, you crazy kid. Thank you for watching. We have got say words for the sponsors. That is for my Chinese sponsor, Mr. Plasma. Not forgetting Johnny Salas. John Salas. Go have a look at this channel, man. He's okay. He's a good lad. Go on. Get over there, have a look. John Salas. Like Peter Salas, but John Salas. Oh, scary. Okay, I'm off. I've got better things to do, you know. Wait there, let's have one more look. That's pretty, isn't it?
Thank you.